So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Frigidaire, Countertop, Ice Maker says ice full, bin sensor and pedal reset. So first of fix is turn off and unplug the ice maker. Press the power button to turn off the device, unplug the device from the wall outlet, wait for 5 to 10 minutes before reconnecting. Second fix is empty all ice from the basket. Remove all ice from the basket. Check for small ice cubes or broken pieces stuck near the sensor area. Make sure nothing is blocking the basket, arms, or internal tray. Third fix is clean the ice full sensor. Open the lid, locate the metal sensor prongs near the ice bucket, usually on the side. Use a soft cloth or cotton swab with warm water. Wipe off dirt, mineral buildup for frost. Fourth fix is check for ice jam or frozen tray. Check inside the scoop or freezing tray for ice blockage. Carefully remove any jammed ice cubes. If heavy frost is observed, allow the machine to throw a 15 to 20 minutes. Then fifth step is reset the machine. Unplug the unit for 10 to 15 minutes. This action will reset the main control board. Thanks for watching.